Hello everyone, I am Saranya, Assistant Professor in the Department of Graphics and Creative Design of Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to see about the interface input in Blender screen. The Blender screen is nothing but it is a screen layout is the arrangement of different editor within the Blender interface. The screen layout can be tailored to fit different stages of a product or specific task. Key elements. There are the some of the key elements which is involved in the Blender screen. The first one is 3D viewport. This is a main area where the 3D modeling and scenes interaction take place. It supports the multiple view models, wireframe, solid, material preview and rendered. The 3D viewport is a main area in 3D modeling in the Blender. And this is a place where the user can develop and design their wireframe, solid materials and rendered. The outliner, a hierarchical view of all objects in the scene, allowing for easy selection and organization. The properties editor provides a detailed settings and properties for an active object scene, world and more. Outline used for animation, showing keyframes and allowing for playback control. This is some of the key elements and the properties of Blender screen, which is mainly used for the different stages of the project with a specific task. You can see the normal Blender screen with the detailed view. The first one is info window, which helps the only file render window help that everything depends upon the particular object screen. We can use the info window. Next is outliner window. In that we are having which tools we are using, that will be displayed in the outliner window. The 3D window is the place where the persons is working with a particular designing or particular objects. The timeline window is nothing but it is displayed for the playback. When we are using the motion graphics, we can use the timeline window, which includes the play, pause and rewind and pause button, everything, stop button, that are available in the timeline window, which with the millisecond and second timeline. Next one is a background colors. The windows can be changed to distinguish with the each window. We can use this is the main properties of Blender screen. The next is tools panel. This is the splash screen. Cube object selected orange outline. We can change the particular object's outline by using the tools panel and using the splash screen. Blender interface components are 3D viewport, outliner, properties editor, timeline. The 3D viewport is a primary interaction area for 3D scene. Outliner is a hierarchical object management. The properties editor is modification of object setting. Timeline is the animation control and timing. Managing screen layout. The managing screen layout is contains two types, that is switching layouts and the custom layout. User can switch between the different screen layout using the drop down menu at the top of the interface. The custom layout can be saved and named for easy access later. This is useful for switching between the different stages of the project. Customization, splitting and merging. Users can split any editor into multiple sections or merge them back. Changing editor type. Each editor can be changed to another type using the editor type selector in the header. Workspace. Blender comes with a predefined workspace tailored for specific tasks such as layout, modeling, sculpting, UV editing and more. User can create custom workspace as well. Interface input. Blender interface is separated into three main parts. The top bar at the very top consists of main menu, which is used for saving, importing and exporting files, configuring, setting and rendering among other functions. Areas in the middle, which is the main workspace. Blender interface is controlled through various input methods, primarily involving the mouse, keyboard and sometimes a graphic tablet. Understanding this input is crucial for efficient workflow. Mouse input. Left click, right click, mouse movement button. double click, that is used for selection and configuration of action, that is left click. Often used for context menu and special function, that is right click. On the center, double click, used for viewport navigation, orbit pan and zoom. In this is a sample Blender work screen which we are using for representing the each and every option, and the user can reflect, design, and they can create their own creation in the Blender screen using this 3D viewport. The actions are select, view, rotate, zoom, pan view, context menu. Input, left click, middle mouse click, middle mouse button, scroll view or control plus middle mouse button drag. Pan view is shift plus middle mouse button drag. Context menu we can use a right click. Thank you.